in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a link from the video that we have delivered to you and how to upload that link to the MLS. And so whenever you get your email delivered to you, you will have a link that whenever you scroll down that says download media. So click on that link, accept the copyright licensing, and then whenever you scroll down, there should be a section, the first section with the video that says embedded media. That video should have 3 options: download, URL, and embed. In this case, we are going to copy this URL to our clipboard. But if you normally add your videos to a social media platform or to YouTube, you will want to download it from here and then upload it. You'll click on this one, the 1080 by 1920, and then you upload that to the YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you post your videos. In this case, we're just going to copy the URL, and now we are going to go to the MLS and get this pasted into the video section there. So once you're in your listing site, right here, there's a link that says Manage Tours Links. You scroll down, it says Virtual Tour Link. We didn't do a virtual tour, but we did do a video tour. So you just paste it there, and it's ready to go. And here, there's another space that you can put. There's a property listing website. So let's go find the link to this property marketing kit. Here we go. So we'll see the website links, branded and unbranded. So let me really quickly show you the difference. And for this, we would need to add your photo. But if you see here for the branded, it has your name and your information. For the unbranded, it doesn't. So we're going to add this link. Let's copy it. And we can paste it into this property listing website, and it will be good to go. Let's save it. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if